Before we start, forget everything you have ever heard about online business. Something completely new is about to launch, and it's going to change everything. It's called ONPASSIVE, a new AI IT company with a really big vision. For the first time, a business is putting humanity first, making success achievable for everyone who has access to the internet, by design. ONPASSIVE is a global AI IT company. It has hundreds of staff. It has dozens of products using the latest AI software technologies for our global customer base. And it has them now. ONPASSIVE provides a complete digital solution for both business and personal use, but it's much more than that. ONPASSIVE's disruptive, proprietary software, cutting-edge artificial intelligence, and interconnected product suites are transforming the online world. The digital marketing tools alone were enough to make ONPASSIVE a huge success. But ONPASSIVE's CEO and top-notch tech team did not stop at enough. They continued by adding in high-demand physical products and over-delivered. ONPASSIVE has developed superior tools for every aspect of life: communication, education, marketing, business automation, HR, payroll, website creation, e-commerce, the list goes on and on. ONPASSIVE is self-funding, debt-free, licensed and registered in over 200 countries. So how does ONPASSIVE work? After launch, everyone who joins ONPASSIVE becomes a customer. They'll use the products and love them. This includes the 1.2 million founders who joined the company during pre-launch. All customers will pay a monthly subscription fee. This gives them access to not just one, but to all the products on the ONPASSIVE platform. A huge value. At the click of the button, customers can become independent resellers of the IT products, and allow ONPASSIVE to automatically build their business on 100% autopilot. That is what allows them to earn residual income, if they wish. By becoming a founder now, something you can only do pre-launch, you secure a position in ONPASSIVE at the 100% guaranteed fully refundable price of $97. If the founder position is no longer available, you can still join us as an independent reseller and start making residual income. Customers. ONPASSIVE will help you skyrocket your business, if you have one. It will drive targeted traffic, people who want your product, directly to your website. It's a fully automated business. Resellers. If you don't have a business, then ONPASSIVE becomes your business. One that is 100% automated and fully done for you. ONPASSIVE's unique design will give you both the time and money freedom to live your fullest life. For a limited time, you can become an ONPASSIVE founder and be part of history in the making. Join this global massive IT company and help us change the world. To register, connect with the person who shared this video with you. Thank you for watching.